In this video, I want to show you how to apply for Ruby KYC Invitation. To start, open your Ruby Network application. First, let me show you how to check your KYC status. Come to your profile icon down below. Click on User Verification. As you can see, my KYC status is showing not verified. You can also check the criteria for you to apply for KYC by clicking here. This brings you to KYC page. Click on Continue. Here you can see the conditions for you to apply for KYC. Number 1. You must have completed ownership information over 30 days. Number 2. You must have exploited or mined at least 30 Ruby. And number 3. You must receive invitation from KYC. This number 3 is the focus of this video. How do you apply to get invited for KYC? Please take note, it is when you are invited that you will be able to continue to do KYC. Let me show you how to apply for the invitation. Come to this chart icon. Click on Statistics. Click on these 3 lines. Here is the KYC Invitation application page. Here, you can apply for yourself and your group members. First, apply for new member by checking New Member. Under KYC Status, check All, and under Mining Status, check All as well. Then click on Apply. Then repeat the same process for the old members. Check Old Member, and click on Apply. From here, wait for invitation from KYC 1.6. When you are invited for KYC, you can check from 2 places. Number 1. You can check from your notification by going to your home page and click on this notification icon. Here, you can see all your notifications. But because there are so many notifications here, it may be difficult to notice it when you are invited. So the easiest way is to go back to your home page. Click on your profile icon and click on User Verification. Click here, which will open the KYC page, and then click on Continue. Once you are invited for KYC, this number 3 condition will be checked, and the Continue button will become active. This is how to apply for Ruby KYC Invitation. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.